Oh, it's nice. I like it. It's very convenient. I can come anytime because it's open 24 hours. And it's like calm and quiet in here. I think it's like relaxing to sit in here and just read. I think here it's just a lot cleaner and nicer and newer. Like in America, laundromats are kind of older because most people do laundry at home in America. Yeah, it's common brands in America. Like, so I like it. It's definitely makes your clothes like softer and nicer when you dry them with the hot air.
Yeah.
Rather than like air drying is like more common in Korea, but I don't like it very much. Yeah, I found it pretty simple to use. Yeah, it's pretty straightforward. Flowers. Yeah, it's really beautiful in that room.
Yeah.
So good place to film.
Right.